busy. We live in a very busy world. And I think life is about trading. You get a level, you leave that environment where life doesn't control your time. You are in charge of your time. That's what makes you a good trader in life. Everybody's trading. We're trading. We're involved in trading. Logically, unconsciously, we are all involved in trading. So monetarily, we're involved in, everybody who's in the banking, using the banking system today is involved in trading. But it's just that a lot of people are not actively depositing or everybody is depositing, but not many people don't have a withdrawal schedule. That is the consciousness of everyone or the unconsciousness of everyone. Many people don't have a withdrawal plan. You know, they are all trading, but they don't have a withdrawal plan. And that's the same active thing that happened within the market. Everybody's trading. Everybody's trading. So we have a lot of traders that are involved in the Forex market, but they don't have a withdrawal plan. The reason they don't have a withdrawal plan is because they don't have a trading plan. Let me take a couple of minutes to talk about the power of a trading plan. You know, I need everybody to write trading plan on the chat. I just need everybody to write that. Just write it so that I know that I'm getting consciousness on the chat because I've been the one talking. Okay, so just write trading plan. So let me give you. Okay, so let me give you guys statistics. I'm not reading the statistics from anywhere. I'm reading it based on, so I've been an educator, I've mentored a lot of people, I've given a lot of people instructions. You know, when I came in, this was data that was told to me earlier when I came in, but you know, just like I'm telling some of you right now, you're not gonna pay attention to this information. I want to say to you, you won't pay attention, but guess what? You're going to, if you stay here long enough, you're going to realize this. I said this to you. Some of you may have been told, but I bet many of you have not heard this. 90% of traders don't use a trading plan. Only 10 does. 90% of the 10 stop using a trading plan. Only 10% of the 10% stick to a trading plan. Did you guys get the numbers? So just write what I said, just write it down. Okay, many of you that trade, you don't use a trading plan. And if you're using a trading plan today, 1 year, 2 years later, you're going to stop using a trading plan. In fact, 6 months later, you're going to stop using a trading plan. You know why? You know why? Ask me why. You don't know how to control yourself. Man, say that is you know, it's not greed. So a lot of people are disciplined, but not many people are consistent in discipline. Okay. How many of you started a diet plan or fitness plan and you saw it through a year? You saw it through a year. Many people who start a diet plan, 3 months, they're off. 6 months, they're off. A diet plan. Okay, you know why? A trading plan does not give you results. I want to give everyone the caveat. There's a mystery a lot of people don't understand of what a trading plan does for a trader. Now, it's like a drug. So trading is like drug. That's why a lot of people are addicted to trading without results, but they are still trading every day. It's like they get addicted because it's like a drug. Now, when you don't have a trading plan, you will be addicted to trading. When you have a trading plan, you will be organized as a trader. Trading plan does not give you results. It organizes you as a trader. And when you are organized, you make better decisions. You plan well. You understand. You learn from your journey because you're organized. You are a third party. You will not get to the stage as a trader where you're going to see consistent results if you are an active trader. You have to be a third party trader. You have to get a point where you can see the market as a third party. You can see yourself trading the market from a third party point of view. And the only way you can do that is through a trading plan that you have organized. If you can trade a plan for a period of 12 months to 18 months, at least max 3 years, you become a robot. That is what trading plan does for you. It organizes your emotions. It organizes your decision. It organizes your exercises. It doesn't make you feel to trade. It makes you act on data. So you know why a lot of people stop using a trading plan? Because when they were told about a trading plan, they thought if they use a trading plan, they're going to start seeing how they'll get results. And guess what? 3-6 months later, it did not give you results, and he stopped it. What will give you result in a trading plan is not the trading plan. It's what the organized type of trading does that you will see over a period of time. It will affect your decisions. Okay. And if your decisions are affected positively without emotions, you start seeing results. But it can never happen without a plan. Did you guys get what I'm saying now? Put 10 on the chat. That is why a lot of people, many of you have thought about trading plan. You've heard about trading plan. Even before you met me, you heard about trading plan, a trading journal, trading plan. Now, some people journal their trade without a plan. You just journal it, thinking you're going to learn from it, which is fine. That's stage 1. Okay. It gets levels. Some people, what you just do, your journaling trade, but you're not trading a plan. Okay, if within your 6 months of trading, or if you don't have an organized 6 months of trading where you get to trade a plan, now you know the strategy. Now you know your currency. Now you know a bit of market psychology. But what you just told yourself is exit from everything not known and focus on what you want to perfect. Choose what you want to perfect and put a plan to it. Okay, what time do you want to trade? What currency do you trade? What is your risk measure? Okay, on every trade you take. That's a plan. You may have set of plan, okay? But start with one. Do it for a period of 6 months. One of the things you will see, trade without a plan for 6 months and trade with a plan for 6 months. One of the significant things you're going to see is you're not going to lose anyhow. And if you could see that you're not losing anyhow, you're going to start making profit. Just give yourself another 6 months. You're going to start. If you can watch how you lose, you make a lot of money in this. You start making money in this market. You get off the environment of gambling. Okay. So the reason a lot of you, I'm talking to a lot of you right now, many of you, you're not trading with a plan. You just woke up this morning. Oh, okay, let me analyze the market. And you analyze the market. Next thing, oh, this thing is good. And you're buying. All right. You're selling. That's what many of you do. Okay. That's a stage. If you do not grow that stage into where you could document it into a plan. Okay, if you buy, how much are you targeting? Some of you leave you're open to profit and you're open to losses. Okay, and you don't have $1 million in your trading and you're doing that type of trading. Okay, I probably will not see you here tomorrow. The only person that should stop using a trading plan is the person whose trading is already planned. Okay, so I can trade without a plan. Your mentors, your coaches, many of them can trade without a plan because why? We got the result by plan. So everything we do, okay, is a plan on steroid. Because I have different measure and different portfolio of trading, and I have planned how I trade it. I'm a robot now. I'm not an emotional trader. What a trading plan does for you is curbs your emotion. And if your emotions can be curbed, you're already what? You're already successful. Even if you don't see the money, just wait for it. It may take 6 months, it may take 1 year. You will see the kind of money you're looking for. It's just a matter of time. Okay. But if your emotions are not curbed, the only thing that can curb emotion is numbers, data. Many of you don't believe in your strategy. You second guess yourself. You know why? You don't have a data of it. You've not done it over a period of time. You've not seen how you lost, lose. So you're not confident because why? You've not practiced documentation. So hear this from me today. That's one of the things I just wanted to give to you guys on the mindset aspect of this success lane of trading. You're not doing what the people who move success in trading from. I always say there are two categories of traders. Don't behave. A lot of you, it's just like life today. The rich are trying to look simple and poor, while the poor are trying to be rich. That's the world we live in today. Okay. The successful traders trade a certain way. There is a certain way I can approach this market now. I cannot show you to do the same thing. I'll be a bad coach and a mentor because why? There are certain things you cannot learn if I show you. But that is what a lot of people are showing you online. They are showing you how you can trade the way they are trading now, not realizing that if they expose you to that type of trading, you don't have the discipline to trade that way. And guess what? You start practicing what they're doing and you start messing up because why? They just want, it's like a drug. They know they put the drug in front of you, you would like it, and the next thing you go buy it. The thing is, you build yourself as a trader based on the category you are. Many traders are looking for money and stability in this market, but they are trading like institutional traders. They are trading like capital traders. If you don't have capital, you look for capital. The only thing that can make you get capital is skill, mastery of psychology and emotion, okay? Then practice time over a period of time for data. That is what is going to make you get capital. You cannot be trading like someone who has capital. Am I making sense? Put sense on the chat. That is why you will never get 6 months, 1 year later, because you're trying to trade like someone who has capital. You have to trade like someone who needs capital. Okay. So if you're an employee today and you are doing an audition interview for people to come for the job, there are certain things you begin to look for. One is their document. What is their experience? What's their document? All right. There are things you would ask for. It's the same thing the market will ask of you. Certain things you should prove before you can get the job of earning consistently. Then you begin to build portfolio. Then you now leave that environment where you're working for the market will begin to work for you. If you don't get to that level, it takes documentation. It takes a plan. All right. The discipline of following through a plan till it gets you the result of emotional balance, psychological intelligence, okay, and the depth of money management. Personally, you are not there yet. If you leave it because you did not get results, you would not get results. Did you guys get value? Put value on the chat. I just wanted to help you guys know that that is trading for you. Okay. If you don't trade a plan, you will not have a plan trading. Does that make sense? So it's not about the analysis. Okay. It's not about the market. It's not about even liquidity or what you know about. It's not about that. It's not the data you get. It's how you use the data to make your best choices. Okay. And that is what a lot of people don't know how to do. That's why you need to be guided. That is why the place of mentorship is needed. You're told what to do because you cannot lead yourself. That's why you cannot use a trading plan, because why? You're leading yourself. You're telling yourself what to do. But if you're guided, you make mistakes, someone tell you, you can do this. You do that and you get a result. Oh, you learn how you did that. It's over time, you shape yourself. So with that being said, let's see what this market is going. For those of you on Instagram, that's my time. You guys should be live right now. I want to share the market right now. My face is not the market. Get on the YouTube or join the Telegram group from my bio and see the link. Bye-bye. How many of you're trading your market right now? You did an analysis on your market. The market is going your direction and you're very excited. Raise your hand. Oh boy. So there was news around 1:30. I was trying to see the impact of the news. The market looks a little bit stagnant, kind of like fluctuating. But there was, it means USD gained a bit of strength the last couple of minutes and 78. Sometimes I don't know how to read this. I just see green. If I see green, it means it gained strength. So it lost strength, gained strength. So it's kind of like why the market is fluctuating on strength. Okay, good. I think it's peaking. USD So I'm just going to tell you what I'm looking for. This is what a lot of people, I asked a question, nobody answered. Okay, nobody answered. All right. When I ask a question, I'm looking at giving something, but I want to know if I should give that thing. So if I'm not getting answer, then I don't have to give what I'm thinking of. So I'll just show you what I'm looking at. So the market is, I'm perceiving that the market was supposed to hit. So I'm looking for Euro USD. So I'm starting with Euro USD. Euro USD is on discount, which means I should be looking for a buy. Okay. And what I saw, which is not really fair, I was waiting for the market to really hit this plane. If I'd done that, I would have loved the market more than what it is doing right now. Okay. So this was a liquidity level. It hit it. All right. It hit it, mitigated it, erased it, and it's moving. So this is the first, is actually the first shift of the market. And market broke, retested the shift, closed. I think this is a bullish move, but I am looking more on this liquidity. I'm looking at market to buy to this range. Okay. And a better entry for very developed buy would be when it breaks this high. So this is what I'm looking for. Okay. If the market takes away this high, I'm going to buy. It has already bought. Okay. This was the first buy, which is the first shift. If I'm looking at this liquidity, so there's a liquidity level here. Okay. So that's been taken out. That's been eradicated. It was mitigated, eradicated, and a shift was created above the previous one. So we can see bullish market structure already. Okay, so there are the formation of bullish market structure. First is the bearish market structure was ended here. We have a low, all right. We have a high. Now we have another low. Okay, it was taken out. Now we have a high. Okay, one of the beautiful things market do, it will tend to test this previous low, and it has done that. Hence, we have what? We have a bullish move happening right now. But I'm looking for the momentum, the best momentum. I always have something in the market. Okay, when you look here right now, this is a very good plane. Okay, and it's just beat a stronger liquidity point of a strong point of interest. So I don't want to be selling. Okay, it's good for me to buy above this. Very good. This is the third point. If this market breaks here, a third break of structure gives a pool of momentum. So if this breaks, retest here, it's going to have a pool. It's going to have a strong pool of liquidity. All right. That's what I'm looking for. Since I wasn't going to trade this because of the news. I wasn't going to trade this because of the news. I would have traded. That's why you saw this. When I came in, I said this market was going to come here. So I knew here. If here bought, then I want to trust this. If it breaks here, retest here right now, that's a strong bullish move on GBP USD. And you can take it based on this range. So this is the range of the markets. I'm looking at this range. Okay, when this market bought, it pulled up here. So I'm looking at that range. So that could be a TP level. So that's what I'm looking for in Euro USD. Someone will be like, Cambridge, you said it's going to buy here and it closed here. Can't I enter here right now? You can actually enter. It's already crossed a bullish move. It crossed a bullish state. Okay, but it has something to fight. There's a battle it needs to fight here. Okay, so there's kind of like a sell point. What drop market here is a sell liquidity. So I don't want to play. I want the market to take away all of that, give me volume here, and I'll drive it up. So that is EU. You guys can take a screenshot of this or send it on the Telegram group. So there's something I told them in the class, in the market structure class. I told them something. The moment you understand codes, or I'd say, excuse me, just imagine if you learned trading and you were told, let me not say that. Let me paste this first before I see what I want to say right now. Buy analysis. There's my screen. I'm still sharing my screen, right? Okay, good. So imagine if you Yeah, there are some of the things we do that are right in trading. Okay, they are good because of how we learned them. We buy floors, we sell ceilings. Okay, but one of the things I found out in the market is if it is going to buy, it will create a bullish structure. It's like foundation, it will create a bullish structure. So if you begin to watch the structure more than you watch the area, you're going to have more defined, decisions than emotional decisions. So yes, this was a major flaw I could have bought because it was a major flaw. Why? Because it was a major flaw. You buy flaws. So there are chances that, oh, you buy this flaw, it will work. Just like if you had bought this flaw, it will work. It bought. It bought now, right? Okay. But not all cases it buys. But can I tell you one thing that happens in the market, all cases? If the market is going to sell, in all cases, it will create a bearish structure. If the market is going to buy, in all cases, it will create a bullish structure. But if you get a bullish area, in all cases, a bullish area is not going to buy. But before the market will buy all bullish, it must create a bullish structure. So imagine if you begin to watch the market not from only the standpoint of bullish areas, which is strong areas floor on higher time frame, the month, okay, top to bottom analysis. You now add, before I would take that area, I want the market to create a foundation of a buy. Or before I will sell that area, I want the market to create a foundation of a sell. Your decisions are going to be far better. That's really the whole idea of market structure. If market is going to have a powerful sell that will take away liquidity, all right, I'm just giving you guys. So this is based on an intraday, 50, 30 pips, whatever it is. All right. One of the things you will see is, yes, there's going to be point of interest. Always. The market is going to, in fact, get to a point. So if it's getting here right now, you'll be looking at selling. If it's getting here right now, you'll be looking at selling. But what does it do? Did it just hit there and sell? No. Before it will really sell well, okay, the most move in the market, you will see a formation. So this is a bullish formation. Allow the bullish formation change to a bearish formation before you sell. Okay. So first is the instincts of many traders, they want to predict it because it has done that before. Fine. But you will see that as you grow in trading, it's not about predicting a move or saying the market has sold before. You want to be more distinct. So before this market sold, one is it did this. So this is the bullish. Break of structure happened. Okay. Displaced. It means it has changed. All right. This is what a shift. This is a market structure shift leg. Because why? It took away the previous what? Low. Swing low. Now, what happens? It went up, did a high. What is happening here right now? This is a high. This is a what? Lower high. What is that called in market structure? That is a bearish market structure. It's now forming. It was bullish. Now it's forming. That is an indication for you to know that this area wants to sell. Okay. It's changing. Now, a new low is created. Okay. If you see it came slantly. So if you see this, not until this is created, all right, you see now what has happened. Simple. What is this? This is the shift leg. Market broke it, retested, and guess what? Took away the what? Liquidity. Before it happened, it was going to sell, but there is something it does. What if you start learning that thing? That's actually the shift. That's what the shift strategy is all about. Knowing when the market shifts. The market is bullish, 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 bullish. Knowing when the market shifts from bullish to bearish in a point of liquidity, understanding a range. You can take your trade, put a TP. So I know that if I'm selling this area, okay, it's very short. So TP is here. It's very short. If the market was a long market, I would have taken a TP here and I would have taken a TP here. Point all levels. Okay. It's the same. Before the market will make a big move, all right, one of the things you see, bullish market structure, bullish market structure. What is this? This area, you can find out that this area, low, high, low, breaks the previous high, major move, bullish market structure. So it's that thing that a lot of traders don't put. So it takes away the adrenaline of just trying to enter a market. And when that happens, you're going to be different. So I know this market breaks this area, retests this area. Now I'm going to be most of the time, over 70% chances that the market is going to go up after it does. If it delays, maybe news, fundamentals, okay, if it delays. Because if this market takes away this liquidity, guess what? It's going to fight for this or come here. It's just the concept of liquidity. So that is why it's not just getting into a market. So I've done it several times. So GU, look at GU. All right. If you look at GU right now, what's it doing? It's on discount, which means I should be looking for a buy. This is what a lot of traders don't do. They don't know when they should buy, when they should sell. They just get into the market. It kills your emotional part when you know when to buy and when to sell. Okay. So I know the market is on what? This is a point of interest. This is a point of this low. This is a low. Okay. And when market got to this low, what happened? It bought up, creating what? A liquidity point that rose up higher. So this is a very strong, there's strong liquidity here. What has this market done? Eradicated that. So this is a point of interest I'm looking at. Okay. This is a range I'm looking at. So market eradicated this. Okay, created a structure, broke that structure. But before that, I'm looking at where is my bullish market structure. This market went up, did this slightly. This is a big momentum for me because why? It took away this. Now, look at what it did. What do you see here? A bullish market structure is forming. All I need is market to take away this. It's going to go up here or here. Is that patient and that knowing? Okay. I'm doing it in real time right now. I've been showing it over the last couple. I've been showing it in previous market before it would drop. Look, I put this here so that you guys see how we leak the market. What happened? Okay. Market at a point of interest, strong high. Okay. Mitigated several times. But what happened? The news took it out. It was temporarily. This is the range. This is the range. But guess what? News took it out. A lot of traders have been mitigated. Those people who like to sell high, they've punished you, taking you out. Now you are wondering what's happening. The next thing you think, oh, market is going to get, this is the next liquidity point. But what happened? If market is going to sell, it's going to do something. It did what? It started from this. There was a high. So let me just point this out. So there was a high. Okay. It created a low. It created another high. Good. Created a low. Now, there is a low here, but it didn't create a high. Drew down here, created a high. Now, this signifies what? A strong bearish market structure. Because why? It has displaced into the previous liquidity point. All you need is what? The neck. So this or this is a sell. Look at what it did. Broke, retested. What happened after? Imagine if you know this ahead, just like I'm showing you this ahead, what I'm looking for. Break this, retest this. If it doesn't, market is going to drop down. Okay. So I'm going to start looking for what? New liquidity point. I go on the daily. I say, okay, market does not buy here right now. What's the next area it's going to buy? It's going to come here. So market does not buy here. It's going to come here. Probably market is positioning for what? A strong pull on the sell side. So if this, yeah, so this was a point of interest. This was a takeout. So somewhere around here, ladies and gentlemen, on the daily, okay, on the daily, there is a what? On the daily, there is a shift here. This is a daily shift. It means market breaks it, retest it, drop. If this market closes below here, you can go put your, you can sell Gbp USD, put your TP here over the next couple of weeks. Put your stop loss above here. But a lot of you can trade like that. You're not there yet. Okay, so don't, but that's a shift. It means market has shifted from, it will have to do this range because this is the range you took out. You have to, you know, you sure can take away some TPA. Okay. So that's another way to look at it on the daily. But right now, so if it doesn't do the buy, you sure over the next couple of days into weeks, you're going to see the market sell. That is just how the market is. It's not, I'm not trying to predict it. Okay. If it doesn't, so this is kind of like an area in the market. It's a discount area for 1 hour and 4 hour. If it closes this, it's a premium. It's a premium on day, but discount on 1 hour and 4 hour. If it breaks this discount, it means it's going to fall into what? It's falling for the premium on the daily. It means daily has taken over. While you're trying to survive or buy here, daily has taken over. So all I need to do is wait for what? The intraday. Let it break, retest, and buy. If it doesn't, if it closes below here, I'll start looking for a daily sell. swing, long swing. All right. And this whole knowledge is coming from my understanding of not just price action. Many of you know price action, but what a lot of you don't know in the market is liquidity on time frame. If you understand that the market is all about liquidity and time frame, range, okay, I'll call it range. Your analysis or your analytical trader is going to be more mature. Okay, it's going to take away a lot of sentiment. So this is GU. I hope you guys are taking a structure. You've taken a screenshot. I'll send it to. We ate gold. I gave you guys gold last week. I hope you guys made money on gold. I gave you guys GU last week. I hope you guys, every trade I'm giving here. So I'm sending this trade on Telegram. I've already sent it to our premium group, but today's Tuesday. I'm giving everyone. This is Gbpusd shift. I gave you guys gold last week. Now gold is consolidating, doesn't know what to do. Oh, it's not. It's still moving. Okay, so see, I gave you gold, guys, gold. It did half of the move. It's not done yet. Okay, I believe this trade is supposed to drive to this area before it hits a range, because the range we bought, okay, this was the range we bought, and it went as far as what was the range? Okay, hold on. No, this is it. So this was the range we bought. Okay, so market is supposed to reach here for a good move. Most of the time, market completes range before them. If the market doesn't get here, it's going to be off floppy. It has to get there. Okay, or else it wants to go down. So this was the day I gave the trade. So you guys are wondering, I will be, when I did this, market was here. Okay, I will be buying, and market broke, retested. All right, and look at, so you guys know. So market broke, retested. This was the shift, retested. It did a drawdown, but eventually what? That's some whooping amount of pips. So gold, I'm not doing anything gold, except I was holding my trade on gold. Okay, but I don't hold trade on gold. Okay, I don't hold trades on gold. Gold, I have a target. I have a daily target on gold. If you are not strong in emotion, don't trade gold. Okay, don't try to swing gold. Gold is it's on a different league. So the moment I wanted here, so this was my trade. Okay, I did half of it. So if I see the whole move, I'll take half of it. And I did. That's what I did on the trade. I exited all my trade, half. All right. So that's how I do gold. If it comes again, I can take it. I'm this kind of person. If I cash gold, I cash it where I want to cash it. Right about now, I should be looking for. So gold is already, if I'm looking at that move, so let's take this liquidity. All right. So gold is still on discount, but it's almost close to my premium. I would want gold to come here before I start looking for sales. Right now, it's not on my buy range. The only time I can buy gold right now, I'm not in the politics of what makes the trade continue. I'm only in the politics of what changes the trade. So if this trade pulls back and take away this liquidity and hit this red line, which is my next liquidity point, all right, eradicate it, form a bullish market structure, I'm going to buy it. That's the only time I'm going to buy gold. Right now, I don't have any business with gold until it comes to the sell range. Many of you are trying to see what's happening. Stop making decisions with people that have equity, that control the market. Allow them make their decision, do their manipulation, then you get in the market. That's how you're going to be safe. Okay. Are you guys feeling me? How many of you are feeling me? Put tracking on the chat. So that's, you can see, many of you feel, okay, it's easy for you to talk like this. It's easy for me to talk like this because I understand the market. I've been beaten by it for years. The battle now, I am humble to say, I am humble. So I know what I know and I know what I do. Okay. Many of you don't know, you know what you want to do, but you don't know what you know. Now I know what I know and I know what I'm doing. I've gotten results from both of it. So I can tell you I am waiting. I respect gold. Right? The fear of gold is the beginning of wisdom. Fear of gold, fear of US 30 is the beginning of wisdom. If you don't respect, it pays a lot, but nowhere to get in. Any questions so far? So that's gold. Nothing. So I won't give you guys anything on gold. Gbpjpy is dropping. So I told you guys, what did I tell in our last, did I show you guys in our last session? Was it a general session? I told you guys this market was going to hit here and the next place is going to come here to give us a strong 4-hour bearish structure. So there is a point of interest eradicated. moved. So there is a structure here, but all of a sudden it changed again. So it's no more bearish because why? It took away this high and it gave us a very stupid shift. So this is a shift leg and created a structure here. This structure cannot be for day. It cannot be for intraday traders. Okay. This is what a lot of people, this is a sell leg. If this market breaks this area, it will sell crazily. But what is the extent of the sell? Okay. You have to move from what? A daily to a weekly. Now you will see something is forming. No, I think a daily shows it more. All right, so this is what you see. So this is point of interest. This is wipeout. The market wiped this out and created a structure. Okay, and what one thing it has done successfully is it has confirmed. So if this market starts selling, if today and tomorrow I start seeing sales here, the market has confirmed 2 legs of a bearish structure in a day. All I need is the break of the structure and market is going to first TP here and overall it's going to drive down to this area or this area for our daily structure. Okay, so that is one of the things I'm looking for. GJ has been bullish right now. It's creating. So first thing is it hit here, created what? A shift, but all of a sudden wiped this area out. So now it's created another shift. So I'm just waiting for market to drop down here and I'm going to start selling. No emotions. That's period. Okay. I'm not gambling. I know if this market breaks here, that's created a new high, which is what? A high, a lower high. Again, if it takes this out, retest here, a new high, it's going to drop. So right now, I don't have any business with GJ. I'm just on a waiting game. Okay, GJ waiting game. Gold, nothing. I just have to see play out some activities before I start. But the only thing I have for you guys is Euro USD. Allow it do the drama, let it break this area. That may happen today. It may break it today, retest it, but it may happen during the night when some of us are sleeping. It does it most time, but if you see it, trade it again. And GU, okay, GU is making the pull on the upside. Boom. Usdjpy. Let's see this market. Let's see this market. So it's in it's on premium, which means we should be looking out for a sell, but I think this market may drive up to take away this area before we'll see good sell. If not, then we'll start looking for this area, which means it has taken out this area. So all we need is displacement. This market needs to displace back and we'll look for sales right about now. Activity. I think markets still want to drive up. It may drive up, all right? It may drive up. But if it doesn't, you want to watch out for this guy dropping. So if it drops, so these 2 legs here right now are just daily. They are daily. They are both the combination of a daily leg. So if it pushes below, let me see them for, yeah, 4 I'll do better. Okay, let's see this. Okay, all right, good. So this is better. So we're looking at, wow, this is beautiful. We're looking at this range. So this is the range we're looking at. If this confirms, it means this market can sell all the way down here. But all we need is there is a point of mitigation. There is a raid. Okay, we just have to. So this may be our, so this is 4 hour. This may be our, let's see, don't know 1 hour. Okay, I think market. So this may be our shift leg if it confirms. If the next high does not take away this high, then you have your shift leg. All right, this will now be shift leg. So this may probably just be happening. Watch out for this area. If this market goes up and doesn't take away this, just it has a low, then you know that it has started a bullish, a bearish market structure. And yeah, different levels, different monies will different. So this is USDJPY bearish structure. I believe every one of you here, you're on the Telegram group. Many of you are not on my general Telegram group. USDJPY. So if you're not, let me know. Let me know. You should be on my Telegram group or my WhatsApp information group. So these are where I drop information. Some of the chat we'll do here on Tuesday. I send it there. So if you're not in Power Out Nation already, or you're part of my personal mentorship, you should be. In fact, every one of you should be on the general group. This Telegram group that I'm sending right now. I want to send the link. So you guys, I just pasted it now, so you can just join. Okay. Any questions so far? I need 2 people to tell me about today's class. What did you learn? What hit you? What hit you today? Seeing how I do the analysis, seeing what I said before I started the analysis. All right. What can you tell me? What did you learn? And let me tell you guys something. There's another secret too. Is it a secret? Is it a mystery? When you don't do it, it's a mystery, man. I'm sweating. But when you don't do it, it's a mystery. But when you know it, you've unraveled it, it's no more a mystery. Let me tell you one of the things that is a mystery to some people, but it's not really a mystery. You can unravel it. Don't be too... A lot of people are too emotionally involved. They're too serious. The best word to say, some people are too serious in life. In a Niger way, that's a way to communicate it to a Niger person. Over seriousness, they worry many people. You are too serious. Okay? Life is energy. What you put out is what you attract. Now, there's a part of discipline. See, there's a part where for you to grab some certain things, you have to be focused. See, being focused doesn't mean being too serious. There's a difference between focus and seriousness. Many people are very serious and they're not focused. They're distracted in their mind, but they think they are focused. Your ability to expose yourself to the play environment, be playful. See, learn to be playful. Don't be too serious about life, learning, okay, exposure. Don't be too serious. Be playful. You know, I was telling one of my students, I said, there are different types of trading. You get to a level, you play with trading, but don't try it. If I show you how I play with trading right now, if you do it, you'll be messed up because you're too serious. And I cannot teach serious people how to trade playful way. There's a level you get to. You need to be playful. While you're learning, be playful. Hey, Mr. Cambridge, you just said something amazing right now, man. I'm inspired. That thing, you see, be playful, be outcoming. Then second, there's a data analyst in your mind. Every information that I've shared with you today has been analyzed or is being analyzed by your mind. Can I tell you? There are things that are priority. Do you know the things that are priority? The things you say, the things you reoccur. You put them. So you're hearing words from me right now. Okay. If you repeat the words that I say, you write it down, you repeat it. Guess what? Among many things that you learn from me, those things will be premeditated more by your subconscious, more than the things you did not write down and the things you did not you reaffirm. So this is where I learned from the scripture. He said they overcame them by the blood of the Lamb and the words of their testimony. If you're always in my session, there's something I'll do after my session. I'll tell you, what did you learn? Not because I want to hear from you, but because I want to give you the privilege of reoccurring and reaffirming what means a lot to you. Because if you do not say it, it sinks. 17 minutes later, is it up to 20 minutes? Is it up to 20 minutes? Immediately after this session, 70% of what you thought you were excited about, gone in 20 minutes. 70% gone. Not until you revisit, reaffirm, watch the video again, 70% gone. Imagine if you're getting exposed to value and there is a basket that is just sucking it away, because your life would only play and manifest that which you're obsessed with. So you can use words to bring obsession to your thoughts. That's why I always ask, what did you learn? Say it. You're not doing me a favor by telling me. You're doing yourself a plan. You're training yourself to hold that, because the moment you say this information, your mind will see that amongst everything you receive, this meant a lot to you, and to go, your mind is your messenger, to go about retaining that information you said. That is how it works. That's how I do not. One of the things my wife is, I can finish a session with the mentor or coach, and next now I'll go meet my wife. I say, wow, man, this is what this. I'll start talking about the things. If I don't have the opportunity to tell someone, my wife, I'll tell my wife, because why? She's my learning partner. I make sure I cannot sleep. I'll repeat the right things. I will say it, because the moment I say it out, creation starts. It means my mind knows that these things are important. So I'm going to ask one more time. All right. How many of you in this session, okay, or within the things that I've done with you guys, what did you learn? I need 2 people that will tell me, then I need everybody writing it on the chat. Write what you learned, but I need 2 people that will come up and tell me what shifted. It's the season of the shift. So what's the first thing I talked about? And now some of you will be thinking, what was the first thing I talked about? Okay, New Reading says, today is my first time and I'm able to understand why I couldn't stick to my trading plan, because I always thought it's supposed to help me make money. Good. That's really what I wanted to hear. I know it was a revelation for some of you. How many of you? If what I shared was a revelation, it shifted the way you thought about trading plan. Okay, put 100 on the chart. Yeah, I felt it in my spirit, because I've been in this environment. Like, that's why I told you, I'm not telling you from data of what I learned. It's not what I learned. There are students that I've told, trade this way. They will do it maybe because they get conditioned by the mindset of, okay, if your mentor tells you to do something, do it. That's what I always say. You need to understand, experience to understand, practice to master. If you don't understand why you're doing anything you're doing in trading, if you do not have a proper understanding why it's important, you're not going to hold it. There's a difference between someone who's hitting the gym and knows that he has a daily required thing to burn based on something that is affecting the health. There is a reason he or she knows he has to hit that gym, break those calories, knowing something is attached to it. There is an understanding. It's not just doing it because I want to look fine. If there is a reason to why you are doing it, you would hold on to it till it is done. So trading plan is what gets it done. You get to that point in time where your balance in trading will be done. You get to a robot point. Like me, I'm a robot right now. Does that mean I don't lose? I still lose. I still make mistakes. But it's not the kind of mistake you will make that I make. My kind of mistake is I get ready for it. Should I take it or I'm not dilly-dallying. It's either this market takes this money from me or I'm going to take it from it. It's not emotion. It's not, okay, let's see. No, take it or give me, period. How many of you are feeling me? Okay. And it's not a mistake. It's just decision. That's the rule in the market. See. Oh my goodness. Some of you are still, even if you've been here for years, you're still a baby. I tell you, you're still a baby in trading. There are certain things, you come to a level, all right? The market does not take money from you, it stores it for you. All right? So no matter what you're losing right now is in your bank account. The Forex market is a bank. What some of you are doing, you're saving. Okay, you're saving. As you're blowing those accounts, you're saving it. You're saving your experiences. It will get to a point in time when you start making money. Some people say, oh, why you're making so much? You're withdrawing your money you've given to the market. All these years of experience, you get to that level where you're not too emotional. Why do you think even the person who got in today as a trader trades a demo account, they make money? A demo account, you will make money. Today, you don't have to have experience of trading. The moment you engage demo trading, you will make money. Because trading is, I could tell you, 99% psychology, 1% skill. All right. The moment you put live, it's different. Your decisions are different. So what do you think? What do you think happens in live and demo? When you make decisions on demo, there is no fear of loss. It's not about the fear of loss. It's how you look at the market without an emotion. That is why you take the trades and you let them roll. You are not emotionally attached. You see it through because there's nothing to lose. It's that emotion that is not involved that really makes demo win. It's not because you are a skilled trader. Now, it's the same thing that happens when you become a skilled trader that have gone through the process, the purging, the breaks, the molding. You will get to a level you will not be emotionally involved and you start trading a live account like a demo account. You will get there, right? You can say to yourself, I'll get there. So what is really maturity in trading? The time you move from emotional trading to less emotional trading, that is what every pro trader is. Pro trading is about eliminating emotions from trading. And the only way you can eliminate emotions is not being afraid of it. So Forex market tell you to use proper risk management so that you can manage your risk. I tell you, that not really helped a lot of people. I'm saying this. I'm not telling you to stop doing what you're doing, but I'm telling you one truth. Many of you are ready. Should I continue? I want to say something, but I don't know if I should say it. All right. Should I say what I want to say? Are you guys ready for what I want to say? I want to tell you. Are you guys matured enough for me to tell you what I want to tell you? Are you sure? Okay, great. So when you are a baby, just like if you have a child today, you tell them, don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't go there. That's risk. You're managing their risk because you don't want them to break what they cannot, to get into a pain they cannot understand. Okay, you don't want them to get the pain. The pain is necessary for their growth, but it's not yet time. So you set standard. Are you guys getting the analogy I'm giving? As a child, you give them standard. You tell them, don't go to the fan. Don't do this. You try to, don't climb. Okay. If your child don't climb and fall, they will not learn some certain things. How many of you know that? Yes or yes? But there's a time you don't have to allow them fall because why? Their bones are still bridged. They are still young. So it's not protecting yourself from risk that makes you a powerful trader. Your ability to protect yourself from risk. Anybody that's telling you that? Anybody is telling you that? You know, there is truth. Okay, that's not the truth in trading. But there's a time when you come and protect yourself. Because see, if you do not learn to protect yourself in your little equity, you will be a gambler when you get exposed to big equity. Protect yourself so that you know the measure of protecting. You will get the use to protect yourself. So when you get to the time where you know you can expose yourself, you will know the limit to expose yourself because you need to be exposed. Losses will expose you. Profit don't. Okay? Your strategy will not work sometimes. That's exposure. Learning how they fail you. You trust in them, but they disappointed. Do you know betrayals make people strong? Learning how your friend disappointed you, you get better emotionally. Am I correct? You know who to trust. Your trust, a lot of people, they're so open, trusting everybody, telling everybody their truth. You get when someone you've told your truth and they take your company from you, those things help you learn big things, exposing yourself to the reality of the market. So if anybody is telling you protect, have a proper protecting measure, that is because you are a baby. If you get off the baby environment, there's a way you're going to trade. I put it to you, everyone here right now. Okay. There's a language in trading that many people don't speak because there's no way to teach it. If you have some level of equity, all right, in trading, you will get to a level. First, you'll be tempted not to use stop loss. How many of you have been there? If you know your technicals well, the only thing you're going to be fine that is hindering you from your technicals is your stop losses. Because why? You've gotten to the stage where you are still behaving like a baby, but now you have the ability to run. But that baby mood they put you is holding your running. So as you put stop loss, the trade will go your direction, but it did some before it moved. Because you are using the stop loss. That's programming. You were programmed to use stop loss, which is good. Protect your capital. Capital preservation is powerful, but it's not playful. You get to a point in time, you use your risk management regime to mitigate your loss. You will trade without a stop loss when you have the right equity. I promise you. You will remember I told you this. Many of you. When you start trading without a stop loss, with the right equity, and your game and your goal is not using your proper risk. Now, I cannot use my proper risk to reward trading now. My main accounts, I don't use my proper risk. I use my play risk. I know I'm not using stop loss. So I have a measure of return. I'm not supposed to be telling you guys some of you are not mature for what I'm saying, but I'm just going to say it in a very vague way. So when I look at the market, many of you say, let me use 1 to get 3. All right. You're still a baby trader. Okay. Period. Many of you, you get a level, you not use 1 to 3. Okay. I would use a 0.02 because I'm not using stop loss and I have huge equity. If I have, imagine you have a $10,000 account and your goal is to make $50 every day. In a month, you do $1,500. If you have a steady, consistent way of doing $1,500, would you trade like that? Yes or no? It means $10,000 can pay you a salary of 1,000. Is it 1,000, 1,500? $1,000. How many of you would love to have a capital of 10,000? You're getting a salary of $1,000. You will see something change. It's not my ability to do $10,000 in a month that comes in. My stability of doing $1,000 that matters. True or true? How many of you get what I'm saying? It means if I move to 100,000, I can get 10,000. If I move to that is really what trading is about. Okay, it's not using, many of you are in a competition, you want to use risk to reward because you are taught so. You're programmed to learn that way. You get a level, you lose yourself, and the only way you can do that is playing. All right, and that's my goal. I will unravel the truth, and for some of you who want to learn the truth, I will teach you so that I can do these things with you. But I will tell you the truth. That's what I do right now. I'm telling you what trading is about. Okay, whether I tell you today, you find out that these things I'm saying, you get into them. All right. I believe you guys have gotten value for this session. That's about my time. It's 3 o'clock. Any question? I know you guys had fun. You guys had fun, right? How many of you had fun? So any question, I'll take the next 5 minutes, take any question. All right. For those of you, so we are presently in a class, the market mastery, everything I'm teaching right now, I'm giving it out. It's almost for free. For $35, you can get it under my market structure training for $35. Okay, so another batch of class is going to start July 1st. In fact, if you still register right now, you can actually join this present batch because we've only done 1 class. We're doing another class this evening, which is a practical class. Know these things, okay? Know the foundation and the formation of these things I'm sharing so you can understand the psychology. You grow into them, okay? So you can actually go to Power Nation Market Mastery Shift. Okay, the course. Go on the Telegram group. There's a link to register on the course. Please do. Register. Follow me for the next 6 months. Let me help you change your trading. Anything I do, just make sure you stay attached to me. Whether you want to stay attached through my personal mentorship, or you want to stay attached through Power Nation, or you want to stay attached through the courses, make sure you just stay attached. Okay? Within the next 6 months, you're going to find a difference in your trading. I promise you. I'm on another level. All right. So without any question, that's going to be my time for today. I'll see you guys next time. Have a beautiful day and learn. Watch the recording again and make sure you